every time you elevate to another level, people are going to fall off because you can't take everybody with you. Not everybody has the vibrational capacity to elevate with you, and it's not your job to take them with you. So I truly hope that the message I'm sharing inspires and motivates you to improve your life. Now let's get to the point. So the topic for today is it's okay to lose people. And this one is for you if you have genuine intentions, a pure heart, and you wouldn't do anything in your right mind to hurt people on purpose. And I say on purpose because we all do stupid shit from time to time. So you probably hurt some people, but it wasn't really your intention. If you're a toxic person, this video is not for you because I don't know what to tell you. But if you genuinely want to be good to people and people fall off, it's okay. Because if you know you've done anything in your power, anything and everything to be good to that person or multiple people, and they still decided not to appreciate you and take you for granted, that's on them. It's a loss for them, not a loss for you. Man, I used to internalize that shit. I used to ask, what the hell did I do wrong? Knowing damn well that I didn't do anything wrong, but hurt people hurt people. When someone decides that you're not good enough for them, it says something about them, not about you. Because if someone is so hurt, so broken, that they can see something of value in front of them, that says a lot about them, right? One thing I've learned over the past years, when something feels off, it is off usually. I am a huge believer in the universe. Some people like to call it God or higher power, whatever. To me, it is the universe. I started asking the universe, remove anything and everything that is out of alignment with my vibration. And I get you not, days and weeks after I asked for that, people started falling off. That's why I'm telling you people, everything is energy. Everything is energy, whether you believe in it or not. So if you believe in something, maybe it's God, maybe it's a higher power, or maybe it is the universe, ask for guidance. Ask it to remove anything and everything, everybody that isn't in alignment with your vibration, and see what happens. It won't take long before you start seeing people falling off. And also, don't forget to ask for the strength to deal with people falling off, because that person you thought that might be your forever person, whether a friend or relationship, might turn out not to be your forever person, and you need the strength to deal with that. Either way, being by yourself and happy and at peace is better than being surrounded by people who make you feel like shit. So again, if you have good intentions, you don't lose people, people lose you. And it's okay to feel sad. And when they fall off, the best thing you can do, walk away, never look back, look forward, because that's where your future is at. Look forward and live the best life you can live, and let them watch from a distance. Live your best life, not for them, but for you, because you know you deserve it. Any resources you need, ask the universe, ask God, ask whatever you believe in, because it will give it to you. And at the end of the day, that's all you need. You need you. You don't need nobody else. You don't need people who don't appreciate you, who undervalue you. So it's best for them to fall off now than when you reach a higher level. You see, every time you elevate to another level, people are going to fall off because you can't take everybody with you. Not everybody has the vibrational capacity to elevate with you. And it's not your job to take them with you. They either get with the program or they're left behind. It's as easy as that. Anyway, y'all, that was the video for today. If you found value in it, please like, subscribe, share, and also leave a comment in the comment section and tell me if you've experienced this before, asking for guidance from the universe, higher power, and how you deal with people falling off. All right, see you in the next one.